Track him, find him, kill him. Most of the action films today are very highly technical. So the Expendables try to bring back a little of that old-time rock and roll. Here we go! Everyone in this movie has had a very stellar career. To get them all together at one time is a minor miracle.
That's lunch. We're back for lunch. We're back here, blowing up the side of the building.
You're not doing what I think you're doing.
Yeah, I am.
Let's do it!
It makes it very special because you're never, ever going to see this again.